just made our way down into the valley, and as you can see, it's very thick vegetation here, thick bush, and lots of bird life, scrub, wrens, willy wagtails. Let's see, hopefully we can catch on video some creatures. I just saw something jump in the water there. Hopefully we can get sight of it. It just died. I didn't even get this chance to see what it was. I just saw this shape go. Must have heard me coming. Damn. We're in a creek here in the bush. But mate, I just saw the thing just dive in. Oh, it's all about the timing. He's in the water there. And that's a whip bird. Very distinctive sound, isn't it? They're the cockatoos. As you can see, the track is quite rugged, this section I'm on, so you have to be in good condition to really walk this section of the Bombhead track, Jibberong track they call it, and as you can see, it's quite spectacular. Very enclosed in, thick bush, and so it looks like some rock shelters. Well, overhangs anyway. Yes, this is part of the track, and yes, so if you have walking issues or that, this section of the track might not be for you, but if you want a good place to go bushwalking and you really this place here, Kuringai National Park, and I just saw a bird. He's gone behind the tree. Could be a lyre bird. Yeah, that bird I saw earlier was a lyre bird, so hopefully I got the elusive creature on the video. I'm not sure, we'll find out. Looks man-made, doesn't it? One thing that this was Aboriginal land, thousands of years ago, to a white settlement. The Aboriginals used to where they basically lived in this land, and they would, I don't know whether that's an Aboriginal, but it's definitely man-made. They would leave their, it's basically, could be a signpost, because you wonder how did they find their way around this very thick bush. Obviously that has a significant meaning. It could be a signpost saying, look, this is where you are, or it could mean that this is where you find certain fish or food, but yes, they left their mark in the landscape. Brilliant. A magical, timeless land. Brilliant.